Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sunrise Institute for Mathematics. Myself KR Yadav. Today I discuss about the trigonometric function for class 11th. Okay friends, first angles. सबसे पहले मैं एंगल्स के बारे में आपको जानकारी दूंगा. That is the OX axis. That is the y. Okay students, that is the initial line, and this is the terminal line, and that is called positive angles. Okay students, ये हम एंगल के बारे में बता रहे हैं. I tell you angles, that is the positive angles. This is the initial line x axis bar, that is the terminal line of OY, that is called positive angle. Okay students, next this is the initial line and this is the terminal line. Okay friends, this angle negative. Okay friends, negative angle. Okay friends, next quadrant. Tell about quadrant. Quadrant के बारे में secondly quadrant, these are four quadrants. That is the first quadrant, that is the second quadrant, that is the third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay students, first all positive after score to college, that is your formula. 10th के लेवल में हमने 90 माइनस थीटा पढ़ा हुआ है. उसके बाद 11th क्लास में हमारे देयर आर फोर क्वाड्रेंट्स, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट मेजर द एंगल ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रेंज, द एंगल ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, जो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट की रेंज है एंगल की, वो हमारी क्या है 0 to 90 डिग्री. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द रेंज ऑफ सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट that will be 90 to 180 degree. Okay students, next the range of third quadrant, that is 180 to 270 degree. Okay students, the range of fourth quadrant, that is 270 to 360. Okay students, that is the 90 and 360. ओके स्टूडेंट, द फर्स्ट एंगल की जो रेंज है फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में वो 0 से 90 डिग्री होगी. सेकंड, द रेंज ऑफ द सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट 90 टू 180 एंड द रेंज ऑफ द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट 180 टू 270. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट है वन राइट एंगल. इसको एंगल को हम जो है तीन तरह से मेजरमेंट कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट मेजरमेंट of angles, first type, that is the English system. मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल किस तरह से हम एंगल को देखते हैं, तो इसमें फर्स्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश सिस्टम, इंग्लिश सिस्टम. सेकंड फ्रेंच सिस्टम होता है. French system, and third हमारे सर्कुलर सिस्टम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड सर्कुलर सिस्टम. Circular system. Okay students, the measurement of angle: first English system, second French system, third circular system. Okay students, next one right angle will be, first system में one right angle equal to 90 degree and 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay students, that is the 60 minutes. Second system, the French system will be one grade, that is 1 grade equal to 100 minute. That means 100 days. We write down the 100 days, and 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. Okay students, 100 double dash. Then one right angle that is 100 grade. Okay students, 100 grades. That is the one right angle. And third system will be, okay students, third system, circular system. Okay students, third system will be circular system. Third system, that is the circular system. Okay students, 180 degree equal to pi radian. Okay students, and 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. And next, pi radian equal to 180 degree and 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi radian. Okay students, that is the degree measure. Next, we are given circle, then this is the theta, circular angle, that is the radius OAB, and that is the length of arc. Okay students, then L equal to r theta. Okay students, L equal to r theta in radians. Okay students, then pi equal to 280 degree and 2 pi equal to, ग्रेडियंट में भी हम लिख सकते हैं इसको L इक्वल टू आर थीटा. जब हमारे पास वैल्यू दी हुई हो तो हम इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं, सर्कुलर में L इक्वल टू आर थीटा, अदरवाइज थीटा इक्वल टू L अपॉन में R. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज द रेडियंस. नेक्स्ट, डिग्री मेजर. If degree measure, that will be angles 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 210 plus 225. Okay students, then 270, 300, 270, 300 and 360. Okay students, then we have 210. This is a 210. Okay students, write down this 5 measure. Then circular measure will be 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and 180, 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 6, 3 pi by 4, 180 and 180, that is pi. 135, take also 135, 5 by 4, 135 also, then 180 pi, 210, 7 pi by 6. Okay students, then 225, 5 pi by 4 and 270, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 3. Okay students, next 2 pi. That is your answer. Okay students, next example first. Take some examples based on degrees. First examples, find the radians. -47